So, why do cats love boxes? Turns out, it's all about feeling secure. Cats are natural ambush predators. They love hiding and observing their surroundings. A box gives them that perfect combo of concealed comfort and strategic vantage point. The texture of cardboard is irresistible to cats. Scratching, biting, and even dismantling it simulates the joy of scratching posts. And don't forget, cats are territorial creatures. When they rub against the box, they're marking their territory with their scent, making the box feel safe and familiar. It's like their own little kingdom. Got a cat who's box crazy? Share your stories in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitty insights.